Take your binding wire, fold it in half, take your heart and run it through the hole. Take your 2 end pieces and run it back through. The loop you created. Just pull them up gently. Pushing down. So now you have your 2 wires. We're going to separate them. We're going to take our vase, holding our heart in place. And we're going to twist our heart on. You can use your round nose to help you get started. You just twist it tightly. Make sure you have it twisted nice and tight. And so that it hangs straight on your vase where you want it to hang. Just like that.